Welcome to today's to-do list. Today's task is continue on the doghouse. This is a continued video. I'd like to thank you for watching and keep you updated as we build the side walls of the doghouse. Thank you very much. All right, back from the box store. Got some more screws and some more wood. Well, hello. Named this 1 in a million. It's an SD card reader. Micro SD. Their day or almost over? Take this back. More of an adjustment here. All right. Back to what we were doing. All right. Thank you for watching. This is today's to-do list. This task was continue on the doghouse. This is day 2, May 11th, a continuation from the last video, 2025. I'd like to thank you for watching. As you can see, we ran out of supplies, had to stop what we were doing and go get some more. Well, we are going to continue on. I hope you enjoy watching, and moving on to the next level. Hopefully, I believe this is going to be building the 3rd and the 4th wall as well. So any questions, leave comments down below. Any ideas for the doghouse, go ahead and comment that down below. I hope you enjoy what you're watching, and thank you very much. What you're watching now is me cutting the wood that I got from the Blue Box store. What happens is I started this doghouse with wood that I already had for another project. I was going to go with a lot thicker wood and everything like that, but I've gone smaller knowing I'm going to build it up and put some insulation in it in the future. So I had to go back and buy these panels of wood, which aren't really that cheap, but it's about the style of the doghouse on this one and how it's going to look. But you see me using the miter saw there. I did have other cameras, so I'll probably repost these videos as take 2 if I do it on my computer, if I can get it to work correctly. A lot of the SD cards are from the cameras. Didn't turn out as easy and smooth as these did. Also, this is before I learned to turn the camera sideways so you can have a full picture. So please bear with that part. But here we go, building the doghouse. I try not to have too many pictures for a long period of time with my back towards you. If that is the case, I'll usually speed it up. Continue watching and enjoy. So it does get frustrating from time to time as you're making this and you think you got enough boards. And you take the measurements out, then you realize that you just don't have enough screws because they go quickly. And you're like, how can that be possible? I bought a whole box. That should have been more than enough. And you try to calculate it out, and you just realize you're just out, and you needed more than you needed. I don't know if this has ever happened to you, but you gotta stop and go get more supplies. That's all you can do. It does eat up some time and slow it down. This was on the same day that my wife decided that the second day of working on the doghouse. The first day, again, I don't have on the camera. I can't find anywhere on cameras, SD cards, or anything like that. So I don't know what happened. It just disappeared. But the first day was the floor and the columns around the pillars around the sides. So I did a lot on the second day. The first day was a little hard because I was going around seeing what was out there to purchase. And as I record this now, it's later in the future for the sound. So yeah, first this was for a dog that we had named Boa. He's not with us anymore. We gave him to somebody else who would love him even more, let him have more time and one-on-one time. And in Florida, we're in South Carolina, and that little dog had short hair. He'd be great for Florida and for that person. Hope you enjoy watching this. So now this dog, now we tried to put the puppies in there, and of course I don't have any fans in it, so it was hot, so the dogs prefer to be outside. Had a little porch on the front there, if that's what you've seen there. You should see the plans in the beginning of the video. That's where they were in the shade part of the backside of the doghouse. Not in it, but on the backside. So we have to do some upgrades here in the future. But right now, this is what I'm building, the structure, outside frame, and trying to do it as neat and possible as I can. I'm glad I put them on the sawhorses. This helped my back a lot, as it would have been a pain to do it on the ground. Got these two sawhorses at Lowe's, the Blue Box store. I did not buy them at the same time. I wish I had. I think I have 4 of them now. But yeah, they're really handy. They come with clamps and a couple other things on it. I'd like to say that eventually I'll put some links down below. I need to learn how to do that. So that's something I'll be working on, and the tools I'm working on. Right now I'm using the DeWalt drill impact gun. This is new to me, this set. I've had others. This one is actually, I think it's a household level DeWalt, but it works great. I do have a hammer drill that came with it, but it's not the XR. I figure if I need that stuff, I'll be doing projects, I'll spend more money into. But I do have the DeWalt set, and for this kind of things. And then in my truck, I keep a Milwaukee, I think it's a 12 volt or 9 volt system, wherever the lower system is. And that gets me by for what I need it for, and when I know I'm going to be doing some heavy duty or longer work, I use this set right here. Bought a lot of those at Lowe's as well, the DeWalt. I think I bought the Milwaukee at Home Depot, the Orange Box store. Again, I had other camera angles, so yeah, on this video, you're not going to see those. This is a Apple phone that I'm recording on, and the others will be like GoPros or another digital camera, and I haven't figured out how to put those onto the phone. Decide sending it through email. The wood I'm using here is pine, but it's more expensive grade, and I will be sealing it with a stain afterwards, so you don't need to worry about the weather for it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you very much for watching today's to-do list. This task today was work on the doghouse. And I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. It doesn't cost you anything. And again, are you building a doghouse? What would you have done differently? I know what I would have done differently. And I'd like to thank you very much, and I can't wait till the next week on working on the roof. This is Joe
Stop.
saying,
Anyway.
talk to you later.
Y'all.